Tired of financial chaos? Let's conquer it together in this Quicken Classic tutorial. First, fire up Quicken Classic. You'll land on the overview screen, your financial command center. Time to connect your accounts. Click Add Account and choose the type you want to link: checking, savings, credit card, investment, the list goes on. Let's say it's a checking account. Select your bank and carefully enter your login credentials. Quicken securely connects, downloading your latest transactions. Now, categorize those transactions. Quicken often guesses, but double check. A miscategorized expense throws off your budgeting. Edit the memo to add clarity. Speaking of budgeting, head over to the budget section. See how much you're spending in each category. Adjust these amounts to align with your financial goals. Finally, use Quicken's reporting power. Generate reports to track your spending habits, identify trends, and spot areas where you can save. And that's the basics. With a little practice, Quicken Classic can transform your finances from a headache to a well-oiled machine. Good luck.